Hello guys, welcome back to Smart Tech Junction. If you are a voter in Karnataka, you should definitely check the newly published SIR draft list. So in this video, I am going to show you exactly how to download the Karnataka SIR draft voter list PDF and check your name online using your mobile phone, PC, laptop, any device. So let's get started. So this process I am going to show you in my laptop. So just open any web browser on your any device, and here in the Google you need to search voter ECI. You need to open the first official link of Election Commission of India like this. Okay, maybe this website will work very slowly, so wait until this website open properly. After website was open, in the services section, here you can get the option download electoral PDF and draft roll for state under SIR. Just need to select this option from here. Okay, now it will open the new page, as you can see guys. If you are from Karnataka, here you need to select Karnataka. Okay, so if you are from other state, you can also select the other state as well, and then you need to select 2026 roll type SIR draft roll. Here you need to select your district name like this and select your assembly constituency like this, and then select the language. If you are from Karnataka, you know Kannada, you need to select Kannada. So I am selecting English, and then here you need to enter the right captcha given here. Okay, here is the most important thing guys. Here you need to select your right part number and part name, or you can easily able to search here. Select your part number and part name, and then you can easily able to download only that particular draft list. Okay, so as you can see guys, the draft list was successfully downloaded. The file was downloaded in the PDF file format. So if you want to check your name in the draft list, simply open the PDF file you have downloaded and search your name. Depending on the PDF, you may be able to search using details such as your name or available identifying information. However, keep in mind that some electron roll PDF may be scanned image based PDF. In that case, normal text search may not work. If that happens, you will need to manually check the relevant page or use the official voter search service to verify your electoral details. Now suppose you check the draft roll and your name is missing from the draft list. So don't panic. The draft rule is not the final electoral rule. The SIR schedule provides a claim and objection period from August 24 to September 23, 2026. So during this period, eligible voter can raise the appropriate claim or objection through the prescribed process. The Election Commission voter registration guidelines say Form 6 is used for inclusion of a name, while Form 8 is used for correction of entries. If your issue is different, make sure you can contact your BLO of your area. So that's how you can download and check the Karnataka SIR draft list on your any device. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Smart Tech Junction, and turn on notification for more useful technology and online service tutorial. Thank you very much.